Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've been using all of these for the past few months and wanted to make a quick summary conclusion video because this one is almost done. This one close to being gone. Even the American ones I am using up because I don't want to be wasteful. I wish I knew about Japanese and Korean sunscreens sooner because growing up I thought they were oily, slow drying, and chemically smelling. All 6 of these have blown my mind. I didn't think putting on sunscreen would be a nice experience, but the whole point of making these videos is to be a little nitpicky, and let's rank them in least favorite to my favorite. The Alley would be the least favorite because it is still a little chemically smelling and a little oily. These 2 go over here. These 2 are a tie. I try them back and forth and I can't figure out which one I like better. This one a little bit better than these 2, and these are my favorites, so I will be buying these 2 from now on depending on which one's on sale. I'm gonna try to do a quick experiment on all of them. I don't know how this is showing on camera, but the quickest drying, you can see it's starting to run already, and hopefully this, I don't know if this is gonna show up how I am imagining it, but as I am applying it, you guys will have to take my word for it that over here, it's already feeling matte and maybe a little oily over here. But that's my quick experiment. It's hard to get that on video, so you guys will just have to go out and pick up a few Korean or Japanese sunscreens to try for yourself. My priority was always quickest drying and matte feeling. This is the winner, but my only complaint with this one, it is the most perfume and strong fragrance smelling, and followed by this one. I think maybe the alcohol base they use, it tends to smell a little bit. These 2 are my favorite smelling. They feel the most neutral, maybe a little yogurt smell to it. And this one was just a little faster and more matte feeling than these 2. That's why I ranked it a little bit higher. I really like all of them. I don't really have any complaints. I would be happy getting any of them. I don't know how price factors into it. They're all very similar. They all kind of go on sale at different times, but these 2 are my primary focus. Might pick up one of these if I could get a good deal on it. But that is it for now. Video 236 done.